Okay, 2D. 2D is absolute max and min. Absolute max and min. We know we need for absolute max and min endpoints and critical numbers. And again, a big idea that keeps coming up. We know the birth rate and we know the death rate. So we know the rate at which is increasing the population, and we know the rate with is decreasing the population. Remember that the critical number of the overall population will be when the death rate equals the birth rate, and that will be the critical number. So the critical number is when the function b equals the function d in this question here. It turns out when you do that, when you put it in the calculator and then you graph that intersection, you get 34.657359. So when the place that this intersects is 34.657. Now you need to keep more than 3 decimal places. Well, on a normal year, this year I don't think you have to worry about it too much. 359. So what they're saying is after that's going to be a critical number. That's either going to be a relative max or min, and that also could be an absolute max or min because there's only one critical number, right? So remember, if there's only one critical number, this is going to be either an absolute or not just a relative max or min, but an absolute max or min. So now we also have to check 0 and 40. 0 and then this 34.6573 number. And then we need to check 40. So time and population. So that we know that the max or min have to be at the critical numbers. And the reason the critical number again is when b equals d is because if the birth rate equals the death rate at that moment, it's neither going up or down, right? Because if b is bigger than d, then birth rate going up, the population is going up. If d is bigger than b, then the population is going down, right? So b equals d, and we had to use the calculator to do that. You have to actually graph those functions and use the intersection function and find them. And so I think we're given that there are 100,000 penguins to start with. I'll leave that, 100,000s, this and thousands. And then you have to do the integral for this one here. And then I think we did 40 earlier, right? Oh yeah, we did the in B. We did the population, and we got 133,000. 133,085. 058. And then, so then the same way we found the 40, we have to use this number. So just look back at B and realize, you've got to go to the integral from 0 to 34.6 of the function b minus d. If you put that in the calculator, you get 100. What is it? 139,000. Oh, so there's the max. 139,166. I think you can use integers for these if you want, because we're talking about penguins. You can't have part of a penguin. So there is the absolute max. There is the time that it'll occur. And oh crap! We're looking for the minimum. No, they have both, don't they? Find the absolute max and min. So this is going to be the max, and then this will be the absolute min. Okay.